Today, I stand up not only for myself, but for all the women in St. Martin that has been chastised, demonized by being called an angry black woman, and simply set aside and muzzled in the political man-made arena. Today, I stand tall and will never bow down or submit to inequality. Today, I stand up against weak men out there that will never understand the true value of women and believe that it is okay to be disrespectful to us. I will not let their personal agenda and chauvinistic egos stop me from standing up for the people of St. Martin, nor will I ever allow myself to lose sight of who I am just to satisfy the political agenda of a selected few. This woman you see here today is a woman striving towards doing right by the people of this country, because St. Martin deserves better. This woman you see here today is a woman who has been raised with the principles of integrity, dignity, and most importantly, a woman of faith. A woman who isn't afraid to stand alone, remain true to herself, and do the best that she can for this country and its people, so that I am able to look myself in the mirror and be proud of who's looking back at me. I embrace every challenge and every weapon formed against me as a means to learn and grow even stronger, and use it as a motivation to continue working loyally for the people of St. Martin. Today, I say with mixed feelings that the Up Party is no longer recognizable as a party I've grown to love, that I supported and helped brand and build. I can't even begin to explain what the party stands for anymore. The greenhouse is in such disarray financially and has been led rudderlessly to an oblivion with no vision. It has been broken into splinters, and I often found myself wondering, where can I even start with putting it back to its former glory? With that being said, I would like to hereby tender my resignation from the Up Party, effective immediately.